Did you know that your brain can generate enough electricity to power a small light bulb? It's constantly active, even when you're sleeping. There are more possible chess games than atoms in the observable universe. That's how complex the game really is. Your stomach acid is strong enough to dissolve metal. But your body protects itself from being destroyed. If you could fold a piece of paper 42 times, it would reach the moon. Sounds impossible, but mathematically it's true. Your brain starts eating itself when you don't get enough sleep. It sounds scary, but it's a real process. Time actually moves slower near massive objects. This means time is not the same everywhere. Your body produces about 1 liter of saliva every day. Most people don't even notice it happening. You can't hum while holding your nose. Try it. It's impossible. The human brain has around 86 billion neurons. Each one connects to thousands of others. Your body temperature drops when you fall asleep. That's why you feel more comfortable in a cool room. Your bones are stronger than steel, pound for pound. That's what makes your body incredibly durable. The Eiffel Tower can grow taller in summer. Heat makes the metal expand. Your brain reacts to rejection the same way it reacts to physical pain. That's why heartbreak feels real. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. That's how slow the planet rotates. Your eyes can distinguish millions of colors, more than any camera can capture. There are more bacteria in your body than human cells. You are more microbe than human. Sound travels faster in water than in air. That's why underwater communication works differently. Your brain processes images in just 13 milliseconds, faster than you can blink. The human body has enough fat to make 7 bars of soap. It's a strange, but real fact. Your tongue print is unique, just like your fingerprint. No two people are the same. The ocean produces more oxygen than all the forests combined. Most of it comes from tiny organisms. You lose up to 8% of your body water while sleeping. That's why you feel thirsty in the morning. Lightning is 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. It's one of the hottest things on Earth. Your brain cannot feel pain. That's why brain surgery can be done while you're awake. The speed of a sneeze can reach up to 160 kilometers per hour, faster than most cars in a city. Octopuses have 3 hearts, and 2 stop beating when they swim. Nature is stranger than fiction. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. Botanical definitions are weird. Wombat poop is cube-shaped. Scientists still study why. Sharks existed before trees. They've been around for over 400 million years. The longest time between 2 twins being born is 87 days. Birth can be stranger than you think. Sea otters hold hands while sleeping, so they don't drift apart. Adorable teamwork in nature. A cloud can weigh over 1 million pounds. It's fluffy but heavy. Your heart creates enough pressure to squirt blood 30 feet. The human body is a machine. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins, up to 40 minutes underwater. The average person walks past 16 murderers in their lifetime. Scary, but true. Water can boil and freeze at the same time. It's called the triple point. The fingerprints of a koala are almost identical to humans, even under a microscope. Venus spins backward compared to most planets. A day there is opposite to Earth. Some turtles can breathe through their butts. Strange, but true. Your stomach gets a new lining every 3 to 4 days. Otherwise, it would digest itself. Humans share 60% of their DNA with bananas. We are closer to fruit than you think. Jellyfish are immortal in certain conditions. They can reverse aging. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists found edible honey thousands of years old. A single bolt of lightning contains enough energy to toast 100,000 slices of bread. Nature is shocking. Penguins propose with pebbles. Love in the animal kingdom is real. Sharks can detect 1 drop of blood in 25 gallons of water. Their senses are unbelievably sharp. Some mushrooms can glow in the dark. They create their own light. Your bones are constantly renewing themselves. You get a new skeleton every 10 years. There's a species of jellyfish that never dies. Immortal creatures exist in nature. Your heart beats around 100,000 times a day. That's over 3 billion times in a lifetime. The Sahara Desert used to be a lush green forest thousands of years ago. Climate change is real. Butterflies can taste with their feet. Nature is full of surprises. The fingerprints of a koala are almost identical to humans. Even detectives could get confused. Lightning strikes produce ozone, giving the air a fresh smell after a storm. Nature's perfume. There's more DNA in a teaspoon of soil than humans on Earth. Microlife is mind-blowing. The world's oldest known living tree is over 5,000 years old. Witness to millennia. Dolphins have names for each other. They call each other with unique whistles. Some turtles can live over 200 years. Longevity in the animal kingdom is real. The universe is expanding faster than the speed of light. Space is stranger than imagination. If you made it to the end, you've just discovered 60 mind-blowing facts most people will never know. Subscribe now because the next video will be even crazier.